Here, my friends, is how you catch a smallmouth bass in 2 seconds. If I can cast, that is. All right, take two. Here's your All right, take two. Here's how you catch a smallmouth bass in 2 seconds. Watch and learn. All right, I promise this is the one. Big one, guys. Not a bad fish for the BFS. I could say that. There, my friends, is a decent smallmouth bass on the BFS with a tiny tube. Yeah. Give him a little release. There he goes. Off he goes back into Small Creek. Footage will make me feel good. No. No, come on. Don't give me that. Don't give me that shit. I just saw a fish swim by up ahead. Let me see if I can catch him. I think I have one. Oh, I think I missed one. Saw my line slack up. Not slack up, you know what I mean. That eagle is just making all sorts of noises. Oh, we got one. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, there we go. I think it's like the same size as the one I just caught. Oh my God, that is a fat bass right there. Interesting. I think it might be a female. God, he ate that good. I think we caught a female. There we go. Fatty. He's got a belly. Release up. Whoa! Wrong way, fella. Ha. These bass in these creeks are just so, I don't know. Like I was fishing a pond the other day with smallmouth, just like this. Like, they were so much more smart than these creek bass. Even the big ones in here are kind of dumb. They bite like instantly with these little, I was using the same thing, but they bite so much more and quick in these creeks than, oh, just another one. And, oh, damn, like this hole, for example, is just loaded with bass. Oh no. Oh, see, right here is perfect cast. Let me catch one. Right. Oh, maybe not. The eagle is just soaring around. What did we have? 19%. It's not bad. I mean, that eagle is just going around in circles. He's after me. It's cool. It's cool though. Oh, wow. That was such an easy catch, too. He gobbled that up. Oh, missed another one. I mean, I don't know if the rocks are fish. I can't tell. Yes. If you haven't already, though, go to any small creek like this in the Northeast in the summertime where you know there's smallies. It doesn't really matter what it is either. Like right now I'm using the little tube, but if you throw anything like a little swim bait, a little grub, like this size, like extremely tiny, you will catch fish all day. And it is the most fun thing ever. It's my favorite thing to do in the summer is just, got one. Just catch so many smallies in one day. Even if they're small, it doesn't matter, it's still fun. Especially if you have something light like this. Doesn't have to be a BFS, it could be just like a ultra light spinning as well. It's just the best thing. It's so fun. There you go, another smallie for the count. I'm gonna move to that upstream bit, see what's going on over there. The left side. Oh, shit. The one thing I can recommend in these creeks during the summertime, like a day like this, when it is 85 plus degrees, is don't wear waders. If you don't have to wear waders to wade and just wear like Crocs or something and shorts, do that, please. As on a day like this, I made the mistake of coming out with waders, and it is extraordinarily hot right now. And I can't really bring any water with me because I don't have a backpack or anything like that right now. And it's even cooler because these small creeks are so sight fishable. Like, you could see everything that happens. Like, most of my catches, I see the fish take it. I see the fish take it, and I can watch them eat the bait, and it just hooks at it. It's the most satisfying thing ever. Oh, that wind feels nice though. Alright. It's not bad. We pulled two bass out of that hole.